Want to know how to highlight potential bugs in the code in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI where you can easily watch it. It's on our channel. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. Now, once you open up Cursor AI, I have this code with me right here. Now, since we are highlighting potential bugs, just simply select Ctrl press A in order to select the entire code. And here you can just simply select quick edit right here. And now your potential bugs can be highlighted. Now, once you have typed in the prompt, just simply select enter. And now once you have selected enter, as you can see right here, it should give you potential bugs comment as you can see on the green line. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can just simply select keep or undo right here in order to keep or undo the code. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you in the next one.